Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to our 143 scale video. In today's video, we have this very good looking Porsche. It's a, Le Mans racing Porsche. And it is the Porsche 956 number 7 winner Le Mans of 1984. The drivers for this car was K. Ludwig and H. Pascarolo, okay. And this is a Spark model. You can see that by this here. So you got the full like Pascalo and Ludwig 143 scale Spark model. I also checked it on the internet before doing this, and yeah, it's a Spark model. So let's get it off somehow. The base. Let me check. Where's my paper knife? As long as I don't cut myself, it will be fine. Well, this is not sharp anymore. Shouldn't need. I'll get some going to the city tomorrow. Then, well, tomorrow. That's when I'm filming, of course. But basically, I'll be going to the shop. I'm gonna buy a new knife because this one is out of blades and do need a new one. Oh, it doesn't come in a, oh, there is a acrylic case. It's finicky to get out. Oh, this one comes with the triangle screws. Okay, so here's the car, but there's the acrylic case. I'll just put it on for now. So, oops, it comes in a pretty flat acrylic case that doesn't want to stay on. So it will fall off if I turn it upside down, so it's fine. Here's the model. For now, looking very nice. This one was actually very cheap. I got like for 10 euros from, what was it was an internet shop called CK Model Cars or something like that. I don't know. It wasn't me that was ordering. I just had to decide. I actually ordered 2 models, but sadly I only arrived this one. And the one that didn't arrive was the one I wanted the most. And it didn't arrive because they didn't package it in for some reason. I don't know. It's weird. So we got triangle screws. I do have a nice set of screws now. Let's see which one is gonna be fitting this. No, that's too big. Maybe this one. Yep, I'll do. Oh, that's the plastic underneath. I thought something broke off. Those are little plastic bits I need to save. Don't want to lose those. So we'll do it like this. I'll just put one here, one there. We'll put the screw on the top. This one also. And then put the acrylic case over it so it doesn't don't lose them. There we go. So here's the model, and it looks like it's not going to be a roller. Sadly, no, it does. The back wheels do roll, and we have a slight color issue here. Oh, it's not an issue actually. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, never mind. And the wheels are a little bit need some straightening out. Or maybe some like this. Okay, that's a little bit better. And basically what I did there is just when you push the wheels each to their own side and just sort of pull it out. That's the only way how you can like pull the wheels apart. without damaging them too much, at least. Well, not at all, actually. But it does come to the sides a little bit more. These have rubber tires, so it doesn't work all that well, but it looks like it's going to be a bad roller, sadly. As you can see, the front wheels, they do turn, but not as much as I would want them to. But the back ones do a little bit better, a little bit better. It's not too good. As you can see, there's no massive details out on the base at all, besides this air flow for the air to go on the bottom. Got a little antenna up there. Got the mirrors, which I have no idea we're gonna use them even in there. She's sitting there, especially there. There probably is a way how they can see them. I have no idea how that works. Get your lensed headlights. Get your intakes for the cooling. Nice rims. Got Dunlop tires. Inserted detailed lights for the back. Joe's Racing. No opening parts, as I prefer for 143 scale, because then it will feel like a toy. Okay, so like I said, rolling wise, it's actually not that, it does roll, so just had to get some of its weight to do that, so it's not actually bad. But there you go, guys. Quick video on this model, as I usually try to do on 143 scales, because there's not really much to do with one model in a video. But there you go. Hope you liked it. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.